Hello, this is Bradley C. with Summon TV, here with Andrew and Gabe to talk about what we did in the Twitch Dev Jam Challenge 2019. Andrew, do you want to introduce yourself?
So I'm Andrew. I worked on the game services and custom plugin development.
I'm Gabe. So I architected and bootstrapped the extension and then worked on a fully connected workflow for APIs extension.
Thanks, Gabe. Andrew, can you tell us a little bit about how you approached working with Minecraft on the back end?
Yeah, for sure. So our main problems right now were that we needed to figure out a way to connect the game Minecraft to our Twitch extension. And I pretty much utilized my previous server knowledge to create a plugin that used WebSockets and a custom plugin that we also authored, and we connected it through our Node.js server. So we are basically spinning up Minecraft servers with our custom plugin, and we are utilizing Twitch's extension to connect them and spin them up together.
Gabe, can you tell us about the challenge that you faced hooking up that extension to a live game on the fly?
So we kind of had to add some middleman services that are caching. Going back, actually have to successfully incorporate the bits actions also from Twitch. So we have to have kind of services that keep the totals and actually trigger events when targets are reached.
Gotcha. That's cool. So how did you approach the design of that system?
We used where possible some of Twitch's convenience functions, like the configuration service, to cache like really static data and for fast load times. And then we set up a custom server and database focused on the targets and bits events for a live session. So and scaling to like all the viewers that'll be watching it. And we also used like because the backend could be a little complex, so different protocols and stuff. We kept it simple for as far as the extension goes, keeping a simple server for it to connect to.
Thanks, Gabe. Andrew, as you were working on the server that Gabe's extension actually talked to, what are some of the tricks and traps that you wind up experiencing along the way?
So a lot of the traps that we dealt with, or I dealt with personally, was scaling the Minecraft server to handle multiple users. So what we did was we utilized Lambda and AWS Container to create custom Minecraft servers for the individual player, so the streamer. And that's how we kind of circumvented a lot of the issues that we were having with maybe the user was lagging when they came in and another user came in. So we also utilize S3 to have a safe system. So the user doesn't have to deal with downloading the world or dealing with any files or configuration that might confuse them. And we just input it in S3 buckets so we can save the world, save their data, and have that ready and available the next time they want to play. Some tricks that I learned was basically if you're working with a game, ask the community first because there's usually a lot of experts that have previous knowledge on how to deal with plugins and custom development, and they usually have the best source of resources available.
Wow, that's awesome, Andrew. Thanks. Gabe, what are some of the tricks and traps that you encountered on this path?
Some of the development environment, as as awesome as it is, can be a little tricky. So learn some lessons and some of the behavior on services. So I had a short-lived idea to be like completely serverless and just really use the pub sub and like configuration service and that kind of thing. But I think for the most part, it did scale to the type of activity we were having.
Ah, I see. As you were working on Summon TV, what did you learn that you would pass on to other people who are interested in making extensions for Twitch?
Use all the space in a viewer facing in the actual viewer facing extensions because you're taking up part of the video. You want to use that space efficiently and keep it simple as well.
Yeah.
Thanks, Gabe and Andrew. It's been such a fun time working on this project with you both. I'm looking forward to introducing some improvements as we move forward and potentially adding a game or two to Summon TV. We look forward to having you along for the ride. Please check it out.